Lesson 3.2, the relationships between sets. In this lesson, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be applying our knowledge about sets, specifically the intersection of two sets and two sets themselves, to answer and model situations regarding word problems. So let's look at example number 1. A survey of 100 students was conducted to find the most popular ice cream flavor. The findings are displayed below. The number of students who like vanilla, 60. 77 students like chocolate. 42 students like vanilla and chocolate. So first, I'm going to let V be the set where students like vanilla. I am going to let C be the set where students like chocolate. Now, students who like both chocolate and vanilla, well, there we are. It is V and C. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, here's V. This symbolizes people who like vanilla. Now, I'm going to highlight that in yellow. The people who like chocolate, I'm going to highlight this in blue. So, in the yellow circle, there are 60 people. In the blue circle, there is 77 people. And where they meet up at this intersection, and maybe I'm going to highlight it using a different color, like maybe green, where they both occur, now this is this intersection point, we have 42 people. When I'm working with sets and problems in sets, I always find it beneficial to work from the most specific, that is, where are both conditions met, and work your way out. So we know that the vanilla is 60 students large, but those who like chocolate and vanilla are 42. So how much space is left in people who just like vanilla? Well, that might be mental math, but we have a total of 60 people who like vanilla, and we know that 42 people like vanilla and chocolate, so that will leave me with just 18 people who like vanilla but don't like chocolate. Notice how the two areas that I have added, or the two numbers, would add up to 60. Now, allow me to consider now how many people like chocolate? That's a great question. How many people just like chocolate but not vanilla? Well, that's a little bit different of a question. So we have 77 students who like chocolate, and we have 42 of those students who like chocolate also like vanilla, so that's going to leave me with 35 students who deem their favorite flavor to be chocolate but not vanilla, or exclusively chocolate. Now, that is all fine and dandy here, so let me review the questions. I survey 100 students. If I add each of these, it should be take out my quick calculator here, that's 60, 35, that's 95 students. So 95 students are attributed to the circles that I've colored, but we know that there's a total of 100 students. What that implies is that there exist 5 students who do not like chocolate nor vanilla as their favorite flavor.